Welcome back. In this video, I will show you how beginners can use Claude AI to create simple digital products such as digital habit tracker and also budget tracker, etc. 8 prompts, and then uploading these trackers on the Gumroad and then start building an online income stream. So let's get started. Today, I will show you a practical method that anyone can start even with the zero coding experience. We will use Claude AI to create digital products and then we will sell them through the Gumroad. So first of all, open the Chrome and here type Claude AI. We will open Claude AI and now we will give it prompt like that I have already here. Generate 20 profitable digital products that the beginners can create and sell online. So we will hit enter, and after a while Claude will provide us with the profitable digital product ideas that you can use to create the products. So waiting for its response. So Claude has provided us with the multiple ideas, do something simple and useful. For example, here we can see templates and tools, educational products, creative and designs, writing and content, business and marketing. So I will make a simple product using the Claude, and that is habit tracker, and I will ask it to make a complete 30 days habit tracker with a clean and professional layout. So after a while your habit tracker will be ready to be uploaded directly on the Gumroad without any editing. So here is our habit tracker that is of 30 days. So first of all, check total checks, best tricks, completion rate, habit track, 5 habit track. You can give it prompt to track 20 habits, 12, anything you want. So drink 2 ml water, check it 30 days full, a month experience can be shared on here. So read 20 pages, meditate, sleep by 11 p.m. and you can also add habits here. So if you want anything bothering you, or you want to change anything, so simply give it prompt and it will make according to your choices. So I want here to make it downloadable and editable so that everyone can edit it, and we can also download it. So over here we will write it, and it will make it downloadable and editable. Here is our updated 30 days habit tracker, and if you find anything bothering you, then you can also give it more prompts to edit more it according to your needs and choices to make it more professional and modern. As in this video I will make this simple habit tracker, and first of all, after making, you will give it prompt. You must have to give it prompt to make it downloadable file. So as you can see before, it gives us just a sample platform that we can only see here, but after we give it prompt to make it downloadable, we get a downloadable file. So after clicking here, we will have to download our file. So here you can see our file is downloaded, and here we can start it. So Excel file is starting, and here is our habit tracker. You can see everything editable. Yeah, first day, total checks, habit track, best tricks and average completion. And so many people in the market are selling these habit trackers simply, and here you can add more habits. So now if you are a professional in the Canva or Google Docs, you can also add attractive colors, modern typography, professional layouts and clear headings if you want. So now after exporting our PDF, the next step is to make an account on the Gumroad. So going back to Google, and here we will type Gumroad, and here is our Gumroad, and where we will have to upload our products. So opening this, and from here you will have to start selling, and now we will have to make account. I will going with Google, so logging in with Google. So we are successfully logged in, and one important thing I want to highlight is that I'm using Gumroad because it's the one of the most easiest platform for selling digital products, and in 2 steps. First of all, we need to have click on the new products and upload PDF, add title, write product description and set prices. Your product will be fine. Okay, from here now we will have to go to products, and now we will have to add new products. First of all, you will have to give your product a name. For example, I will give it habit tracker. You can give it attractive, modern and SEO optimized. So from here we will, as digital product, set any set of files to download or stream. Yes, my product is digital. So if you made any other products like course or tutorial, ebooks, you can also highlight these memberships and bundles. But as you can see, we have made our digital product, so we will set a file. So we will check that option. Any services? No, we don't have any services. You can set any price in dollars or euro, yen, rupees, everything. So I will set a price. Please begin with the easy price that so that your products can be bought by the viewers. So I will type here only $2 for this product, and after that we will go to next step, customize. So our product is being added. So here you can give any type of description. One of the most easiest way to give a description is you have to go to ChatGPT and give it and ask it to give the description about a habit tracker. So we will ask give description of habit tracker to be uploaded on Gumroad. So it will give us a professional description. You can also make changes if you want to make it more professional. So I will just copy that and only paste it in the Gumroad. But that's too huge and too long, so you will have to not go so longer. Please make it short so the viewers and users can understand it easily. They don't get bored. And now the important thing is the cover of the image that we will upload here. For this is the first sign that the viewers will like your product. So be careful in making this image. We just need to and go to ChatGPT and ask it to give us a cover image for this product. That's cool, and ChatGPT has given us an amazing image of our product habit tracker. So I will just download it, save it as habit tracker, and replace it. Just going with that from the computer file, and here is our habit tracker, and it will be uploaded in some time. So our cover image is ready, and here is our thumbnail. You can also add it or you can leave it empty, but if you leave it empty then Gumroad will itself crop our habit trackers cover and will convert it into thumbnail. So I'm going without that, and call to action, pay or buy this, I want this, anything you want. Summary, you can give summary, additional details. If you have additional detail about your product, you can add details like there's variant and what are the new features of your product. So integration, and from a pricing again you can choose it. So allow users to pay what they want. That's some kind of charity, but you can give as you want, and if you not then continue with that. And if you have different variants of your product like second, third or fourth, then you can add your variants from here. And because I'm going with the first variant, so I will not add from here. So next our is settings and limit product sales. If you want to limit, for example, if you want that your only 10 quantities of your product will be sold, then you will have to check that option. But I suggest not limit because it's a digital product and can be downloaded unlimited files. So going with that, allow choose the quantity. Yes, they can choose quantity to increase our sales, and everything you can choose. And if you have a custom domain, you can also write it here. So save and continue. And content, here you will have the content of your digital product that you want to sell. And again going to copy the description and pasting it here, but you will not do that. You will have to paste an authentic and trustworthy description of the product. So publish and continue. But here we will get an error. It says you must connect at least one payment method before you publish this product for sale. So here we will save changes, and now we'll go to payouts, and from here we will go to settings, and after that we'll go to payments option. Here you will schedule your payments daily, monthly or quarterly, everything weekly. Minimum payment threshold, it's for Pakistan is $100. So from your bank accounts you will have to give all these bank accounts details, business if you have business. But if you have individual account, you will go with that, city, postal code, country and everything. And here you can also connect the PayPal, but there are some conditions before connecting the PayPal. Your account must be marked as compliant, and you must have earned at least $100, and you must have received at least one successful payouts. So after giving all these settings, you will go to products, and from here you will go over here, and you can also publish it easily. So that's how you can create digital products using Cloud AI and then selling them on the Gumroad. The biggest mistake people make is spending weeks learning instead of taking actions. Open Cloud today, create your first product, upload it, and then start learning from the market. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. and comment below which digital product are you planning to create first. Thanks for watching and I will show you in the coming video.